This is the best 15-second reversal trading strategy and its settings. Here's a buy higher setup. You want to use the RSI indicator and look for divergence in price and the RSI. But it's important to set RSI to period 5. And your entry point is when RSI crossed the 30 line. That's a powerful move higher from the entry point, in the money and a $192 payout. Make sure you use a line chart, set screen size to M10, and use 15-second expiration on the trading platform. Let's see if we can get another live trade. We need price to make a new high but RSI to stay below previous high to get a divergence. Here's a setup. Enter sell lower when RSI crossed the 70 line. Let's wait and see how this trade play out. Closed in the money, so another $192 payout. Let's see if we can find some more RSI 15-second trading setups. And here's a buy higher setup. Enter higher when RSI crossed the 30 line. A small mistake on my end, we didn't get a print below 30, so this is not a good setup. Let's see if it close in the money anyway, or if this will be a loss. Yes, a small $100 loss, and that's the reality of trading sometimes. You need to risk money to make money. Here's how to read the RSI indicator. Oversold area, 0 to 30. This area tells us that there are too many sellers in the market. Neutral area, 30 to 70, nothing particular in this area. Overbought area, 70 to 100, this area tells us that there are too many buyers in the market. Here's another sell lower if RSI crossed the 70 line. That's our entry. Let's see if this close in the money after 15-second expiration time. So simple and profitable, that's a $192 payout. Divergence, and that's a buy higher when RSI crossed the 30 line. A new setup right after the profitable sell lower setup. Let's see if this one also close in the money. This is a high win rate strategy, another $192 payout. Here's a buy higher setup. RSI crossed the 30 line and we see divergence in price and RSI. Price is immediately moving higher. In the money and a $192 payout trading our RSI 15-second binary trading strategy. I tested our 15-second RSI trading strategy 100 times to find its win rate. And our strategy got a 87% win rate trading on pocket option. So 87 wins and only 13 losses. You can find the full strategy guide on our website. Link in the description. And subscribe for more. Thanks.